Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. This is their 7x5 Yaki bob wig. This one is in the length 12 inches. The color on this is beautiful. Okay, and the ends look nice and full. This is their bye-bye knots, and it looks good so far. Okay, as you can see, the lace does come pre-cut. Your parting space area, you don't get any combs on the side. You do, however, get a comb in the nape area. You also get, if I can feel for it, yeah, your adjustable strap and your adjustable elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my bobby pin, and then I'm just going to pull some of this hair out, and then I'm gonna tuck the bobby pin into my hair so that, as you can see now, the cap stays in place. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I notice it more on one side than the other, and I tightened up my straps all the way. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Just wanna make sure it stays in place. Okay, so that's done. This one was very simple and easy, perfect for beginners because not much has to be done except for, to me, getting your lace together. Now, you guys seen that I did add my tint spray in, and I still feel like it's a little bit light in certain areas. I was really trying not to be too heavy-handed with it just because I didn't want it to come off too dark, even though I think that that's an easy fix because you can always go in with a little bit of a lighter powder. But I try not to put too much powder when I add my tint spray because I want it to come off flawless, like it's growing from my scalp, especially when you're being photographed or videoed. I just want it to look really good. But for the most part, it laid down. You guys seen I had to put a bobby pin on each side just to make sure that that little area didn't flap up, and it's sticking down pretty well. Don't have any issues. The cap is fitting me really good. There's no bulging in the back, just a little bit of room like right in this area, but it's snug on my head. I feel like it's snug. I did use that spray to lay the lace down, put my edge band on, and just let everything marinate in. I did not use any mousse today just because I feel like the hairline looked really good already and it was pretty straight. But I did go in with my wax at the top and then also around the hairline and use my hot comb to press everything out. This hair is very easy to straighten out. There's no issues, okay? I don't have any issues with straightening out this hair. So this one's going to be super simple. I love the cut. Slightly longer in the front, not too much, but the back of this looks good. I feel like it'll make a cute low ponytail if you want to get the hair up off of your neck. And it's a very good density. I don't have to worry about any traction or anything. It does come as a middle part. The middle part is cool, but I also made sure to show you guys what a side part will look like just in case you are not a fan of the middle part and it looks good. I did take out some hairs right here and just lightly swoop them over, and I can't really do too much right here because that's where that track is kind of showing, but I do like how they put enough hair right here to where it doesn't look super obvious. Like if the wind blows back, you guys know what I'm talking about. When the track is right there, there's not enough hair and it just don't look good. So I feel like they put enough hair right there. And I did add powder into the parting space area, and I did that because my cap is a little bit lighter, and so I feel like you can see the start of it. But I really don't have any complaints when it comes to this unit. I did not get a lot of shedding with this unit at all. And then I'm not receiving any snags. I did not have to go in with any Sleek and Shine serum because it wasn't a lot of frizziness. It wasn't a lot of flyaways. The only thing I did not see is if I could curl this unit. So we're gonna do like a quick little curl test. I had to make sure to see if my flat iron was on still. So I'm gonna do a quick little curl test because that's the only thing I did not check. All right, so as you can see, this does hold a curl. Now this is a Yaki texture, so it's probably going to drop, but if you want to curl it, you definitely could. Now I'm about to look crazy because let me see if this covers it up. Let me see if that'll cover it up. But yeah, I don't really have any complaints with this one. I feel like this one is ready to wear this color all year round. I feel like they did a good job with the color. I like that it's dark red at the top. Super simple and easy, but just with a little bit of extra to it, just a little bit. But let me know what you guys think about this one, okay? If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.